First thing I want to do
Right.
is I want to explain to you and read to you verbatim the supplement that was generated today by Officer Boone. Actually, it wasn't generated today. It was generated on the 25th at 7:27, okay?
Okay.
On 8:25, I responded to the AutoNation Chevy, 8600 Pines Boulevard in regards to civil matter. I met with reportee Joanna Jubitana, that's you,
Yes.
okay, who advised the following. Joanna brought her vehicle to the service at AutoNation and was informed by manager that they would not return her vehicle.
Correct.
That's what you said.
That's what they said.
Right.
I used the word repossession and you used it against me.
Okay. I met with the pre-owned vehicle director, Mr. Angels Argueta of the AutoNation Chevrolet, who advised the following. Joanna completed paperwork to purchase the vehicle. However, the finance company had an issue with information provided to her on her paperwork. The finance company and the employees of AutoNation Chevy attempted to contact Joanna over multiple dates beginning on 7/29/21 and were unsuccessful.
Or multiple dates from 7/29 up until 8/05, the day that I dropped off the car,
Okay,
and they did not
Let me
speak
just
to
finish
me.
this bottom and then
You said multiple dates and I wanted to
Yeah.
correct it because it's
Joanna-
not multiple
okay.
dates.
Beginning 7/29/21.
And so it was a
But we're
week, just
unsuccessful.
1 week.
Okay.
1 week.
AutoNation Chevrolet terminated Joanna's contract agreement and began the repossession process of her vehicle.
For no reason.
The vehicle was brought in for service, and in which time AutoNation Chevy repossessed the car.
Correct.
Okay. A teletype check revealed that Joanna is not the registered owner of the vehicle. It is still registered to the previous owner. A teletype check also revealed that the tag associated with the car is still registered to AutoNation and not to Joanna. Angles advised that the vehicle was reported repossessed on 8/18/21, and Joanna was informed based on the information that this is a civil matter, just like I told you before. Joanna
You told
was
me
provided
just now.
copies of the contract termination and attempts to contact her.
Correct.
So, what has happened here is that...
Wait, now it's my
your
turn.
I'm just summary.
Okay, summary,
So,
and then it's my turn because
That
I would
way
like
your
a
phone
conversation.
video can be accurate. Me and you talked already for 30 minutes.
No.
You
This
can
is
get-
for the recording so that you can explain
Okay,
to me
but
accurately
the
as I say
recording also
something.
need to know that we already talked for 30 minutes. That's based on
I
the
understand
Pembroke
that.
Police Department surveillance, which is all under surveillance.
I
and
understand
my body
that.
camera.
But one of the things that we have to
So,
go over is
is
that this
what?
is an old report and I'm here for a new one. So what was told to me was that I had to come to you with my title and registration and come with you with the validity that that is my vehicle,
Okay.
which I'm here doing right now. So I have my title and my registration in my name with my decal. So it is my car and Chevy is refusing to give it to me, and that is exactly what you just stated to me. So
Okay.
that is what I'm saying to you.
So on 8/21, I have the other report. PSA Kim Jones authored a report, and she requested that you come and prove that you were the owner of the car. She
And
asked you to
I'm
come and bring
here.
your registration, which you did.
Yes, I did.
Okay. But according to the follow-up investigation, you did not pass the approval process to purchase the car, and it was terminated in that time frame.
It can't be terminated.
Yes,
I
it
have
can.
an expiration date on my registration. The
Registration
title
has
is still,
nothing to do with
it
the
absolutely
approval of the
does.
car.
The
It does
title,
not.
I can claim my title. Once I have claimed my title and my VIN number, it is absolutely mine.
Where's your title?
My title is in my bag.
Your financing bounced.
It did not bounce. I've
That's
already
what it states
paid.
in the report
That's
by
what it
Chevy.
states in the report, but you have not done legal investigation and you have not gone to the facility yet. You're going based off of
So-
report, based off of hearsay. And that is what you're telling me. And that is unacceptable because you're not taking any measures or procedures to see whether they're accurate or if I'm accurate. You're going based
How
off of a
many payments have you
report.
made on your car?
It's a new car that I bought on 7/23. So I made my first payment and I made my insurance payment. My next one is due in September and I'm still making them because
Did you
I'm
get
going to make
refunded for
it.
your first
I
payment?
did not get
Did you
refunded.
try to get
I
refunded?
don't want to get refunded. I want my car back.
You have not been approved to
I
purchase
was
that
approved. I
car.
have my
You may
contract
have
as.
got the initial approval.
But how do
when
you
they
know
ran
when
the numbers.
when have you went there?
I'm not
I'm
gonna
talking
go
to,
there.
but
We don't-
I'm
we don't
talking
deal
to.
with business deals and
It's not business
transactions.
at this point.
Yes,
You're
it
telling me
is.
that it's a contract that you have not even looked at.
I don't
So,
need to look at it.
but then you're not helping me. You're not doing your part. You're talking business. You
Miss
did not
Joanna,
say that you
you're
went there
coming here tonight to the Pembroke Pines Police
to get a
Department
police report
to
so that I could
file
take it
a
to
motor
my
vehicle
theft.
meaning that someone stole
Oh,
your
my
car.
car.
You did not pass the approval process. To
But
purchase
how
the
do
car.
you know?
Because I'm going off what the manager of the sales department
At the
in used
time,
car.
because he looked it
Yeah.
up in the system and there was
But
another
you're
title, a
asking me
previous
to
title.
investigate
This is not the way that we
a civil matter.
communicate.
No, it's not.
It's not. Because you're telling me that based on the previous owner of the car, that title belongs to them. I bought the car, the title is in my name along with the tag number. And it's up there until my birthday, December 20th, 2021 of this year.
There is no doubt in my mind that you went and bought that car. There is no doubt.
It's not about the doubt. It's the fact that you're going based off a contract that, one, you have not seen.
I'm not going to see it.
And you're not going to see it because I don't want you to see it. Your job is to protect and to serve.
Correct.
So you're supposed to go over there and you're supposed to investigate to see whether or not my car is there or not. But you're refusing to even go to that step. You're only saying but we didn't have this conversation.
Earlier today when me and you talked, that you
30 minutes ago.
Officer Boone to look over the car. So the Pembroke Police Department
went there.
Above and beyond to go with
not
you
above and beyond.
Yeah.
They did their job. I called 911 and they went there.
They did their job very well because they went.
I
over
never
there
said they did not do their job.
said,
It's the words you said. You said above and beyond.
You're saying that I'm neglecting to do my job.
I'm saying that you
I'm
are.
neglecting to put your car in as
Okay.
stolen.
Do you see that there is no clear communication happening? You're jumping from jumping from statement to statement to statement instead of actually pointing at what we're supposed to fix.
What do you want me to do for you tonight? And I will tell you if I can do
I need a police report
Okay.
because my car is stolen. I have a title and I have a registration and I do not know where my car is and I cannot locate it. Whether it's Chevy that stole it, which I think it is because I left it there, we need to find out where my car is because I'm still making payments on it and it's still registered in my name.
You need to stop making payments on it.
I do not want to stop making payments. Once again, you're treading into my territory. You can't tell me what I need to pay for.
You're right.
You can't tell me my contracts.
I shouldn't give you opinions on what
You
you
should not give any
You're
opinions.
100% right.
You're here to serve and you're here to
So,
do your
this
job
is my
accurately.
decision as a
And once
road patrol
again,
supervisor.
we cannot communicate effectively because you're not addressing my needs. What you're stating is that you understand my contract, which you don't. You haven't looked it over. You haven't asked to look at it. And what you're telling me is that you're refusing to go further as a police officer or as a sergeant, Mr. Cabrera.
Yeah.
That's not fair to me. You're not helping me in any way. What I'm doing right now with you is arguing about the fact that I don't have a car. I still have a rental that I don't want, and I need help. That is what I'm telling you. I need help to locate my vehicle.
Okay.
And that is it.
So once again, as a road patrol supervisor that came down to help you, which I didn't, I wanted to come down and help you because the service had asked me to.
I don't need help. I need you to protect and to serve and do your job accordingly.
I'm not putting
I
your
don't
car
need you to
in
be
the
passive
computer.
aggressive with
I'm
me,
not
and I
putting
don't need
your
you to
car in
be
the computer
slight.
as stolen. I'm
You're
not
going to do
doing
what
that.
you need to do, but I'm going to override it. So if you're choosing to do this, and I'm going to see the next person above you, because I know that
There
there's
is no next person right
you're
now.
not the highest level of official. Who do you think you are? I know
I
what
am
this
right now.
you are now. I could come back tomorrow and there'll be somebody higher than you
You're
are.
exactly right. On Monday there will be.
There will be, and I'll be back on Monday. So I'm just asking for the police report
All right,
based on
so
what we've talked
I
about.
can give you
I want the
you
entire-
want another case card, or you want to keep using the case card that you had that you showed me?
I need to know what the next steps are. I need to know. She said that I can meet with a detective.
So
She
the
said that we
next
can go
step,
forward.
as what we've already previously talked
Once
about
again,
in
you
our
cut me off, and I'm
previous
telling you what I
conversation.
need.
You said to me at the very beginning of our previous conversation that you wanted to get an attorney because you felt you were
I'm getting an
lost.
attorney, but for my car. But now I'm going to get an attorney for this situation.
Okay. Once again, I deal with two types of incidents. I deal with criminal matters and I deal with civil.
This is a criminal matter. This is not
criminal
civil
matter.
at all
You
because my
purchased
car
a
is
car from the
stolen.
Chevy dealer.
You're worried about a contract that you know nothing about. So I'm not going to go back into that area. Right now I have my registration and I have my title, and I'm telling you that I do not have my vehicle. That is the only concern that I have. So if I came to you and told you nothing about Chevy, you would still have to look up my title, my registration, and find out where my car is. So let's just forget about Chevy right now and locate my vehicle because I don't have it. It's not in my possession. I went to Chevy. They're not telling me where it's at, and I need my car back.
Your car has been repossessed.
It was not repossessed. Have you seen the documents?
You told
Is
me
it in
that
your
they told
system?
you that it was
No.
repossessed.
It's not hearsay. That is not actuality.
We don't
Are there
maintain a
any
law of
documentation?
repossessed.
Exactly. So that has nothing to do with you. So the repossession,
It doesn't have anything to do
it
with
does
us. You're
not.
right. You're
That's
right.
why I have a title. Have you looked it up in the system to see my title is valid?
Your car, your
Is
stuff
it
was
still
ran into-
titled?
No, it's not.
There's no title under my name.
The car is not registered to you.
How is it not registered to me? Did you look it up in the system? Because I have an actual.
Did you not tell me?
It's right, we looked it up, the vehicle is not registered to you.
Even with the-
It's license plate.
It's not registered to that license plate or
They're
that
both not
title.
registered to you.
Correct.
That's because the process isn't completed. You didn't get through the process.
You're very sarcastic about the fact that I didn't have my car, and I don't appreciate that at all.
Okay.
It's very insensitive
So
to my
we're
needs.
not gonna-
I don't
we're
understand why
obviously
the car is
gonna
not
make any
in.
leeway tonight. So what What do you need to leave with tonight for you to be satisfied?
I came here for, it's not about my satisfaction, it's about my needs.
Okay.
I'm coming here in need of help. It's not
understand.
satisfaction. That was insulting to me. Absolutely insulting to me.
I don't agree with you.
It doesn't matter if you agree with me,
don't
but
agree
what
with
you
you.
said was very sexist. It's passive aggressive. It's past that. I'll just take the police report or whatever information I need to get the police report or any police report that I have as of now.
PSA Joan, just give her the most accurate case number so that she can go to records on Monday and get a copy of it. That way she can get an attorney.
And can I have the person that oversees him, that number? Because I want to communicate with him and I have the right to meet him.
I mean,
The
chief of
commander
police
or
is
the
Chief
sergeant
Chimbino.
or the master or whatever
sergeant.
comes. No, but above you. I don't want to talk to you
Above,
anymore.
higher than
And there has to
me
be someone
is
aside of you. There
Captain-
is
Captain Curtis?
Captain
Harold
Curtis.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to meet with Captain Curtis. Can I have
So
Captain
doing-
Curtis, his information? That's what I would
Yeah,
like.
You can, let me see if I can give you his email. Give me one second.
Okay,
It's gonna be pepines.com, but I'll let you.
I'll
write it
take
down.
the written,
Yeah, I'll write it down for you.
the written validity of this. It's yours, I promise.
This is it right here, dcurtis@pepines.com. I'm gonna come back out and talk to you. Pepines.com, you can shoot him an email and request to speak with him. And then that is the person that is above me, to answer your question.
I'll take the police case number for this
Do you know
process.
The case number is on that card that you have. It's on the back.
We're just documenting this further on the same report.
And it's also here. Do you want this back too? I think it says yours.
Yes, I'll take it back.
Is there anything else?
This is my license and registration, and this is my plate number as I bought the car.
Okay, so
It's 22A hat, and then this is my title.
not a motor vehicle theft, it's a civil matter.
And then this is my title. It's 1222 12178. Alrighty. So thank you. What did you say? I was talking to the camera.
There's already 2 reports that have been generated,
I understand that.
which are very accurate and very detailed.
It doesn't matter if you think they're accurate or detailed. You're still in your opinions, and it's illegal the way that you're approaching this situation. I'm just letting you know that it's illegal. It's illegal the way you're approaching this situation. So I'm going to exit now and thank you for my police number and see you not again.